Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Honda Civic front seats. First, ensure your car is off and the parking brake is engaged. You'll need a few basic tools, including a ratchet with appropriate sockets, a trim removal tool, and possibly a flathead screwdriver. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your car battery before beginning any electrical work to prevent accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. This crucial safety step protects both you and your vehicle's systems. Once the battery is disconnected, you can begin unbolting the seat. Start by moving the seat all the way back to access the two front bolts. Use a socket wrench to loosen and remove these bolts. Next, slide the seat all the way forward to reveal the two rear bolts. After removing these, the seat will be loose. Now, tilt the seat back slightly to access the electrical connectors underneath. Gently unclip all wiring harnesses, being mindful of any airbag sensors. With all bolts removed and electrical connections disconnected, the seat is ready to be taken out. This is often a two-person job due to the seat's weight and awkward size. Carefully maneuver the seat through the door opening, taking care not to scratch any interior panels or door sills. Once removed, place the seat in a secure location where it won't be damaged. Now is a great time to vacuum and clean the floor area under where the seat was, removing any accumulated dirt or lost items. Reinstalling the seat is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully place the seat back into the car, aligning it with the bolt holes. Reconnect all electrical harnesses under the seat before bolting it down. Securely fasten all four bolts, ensuring they are torqued to the manufacturer's specifications. Finally, reconnect the negative terminal of your car battery. Double-check all connections and seat stability before driving. For more great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.